Back for another video. So for those of you who are new, my name is Jasmine. Welcome. I'm really happy to see you guys here for another makeup tutorial. So this is the look we're going to be creating today, and also I'm going to be using my new James Charles Morphe palette, which I'm so in love with this palette because it's just so colorful and really beautiful. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up as soon as we're done. And also, if you haven't yet followed me on Instagram, please go ahead and check it out. It's at Jasmine323 LOS. I'd love to have you there as well. Alright, you guys, so I hope you guys are ready, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so have you noticed I already have this left side done? So we're going to go ahead and start off with the right side. But the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you apply some eyeshadow primer, which I already applied it. So you can also use some tape, and this is really optional for you guys if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and use it because it has helped me a lot when I do my makeup tutorials. So this is optional for you guys. And then at the end of this video, once we're done with the eyeshadow, you can also apply different drawings as much as you want. You can do more hearts or whatever you guys want, but I only did one for this size. But I mean, there's so many ways you guys can do these eye looks. So I am gonna be starting off using the Morphe by James Charles, and this is the palette that I'm going to be using. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this Pinkity Dinkity eyeshadow, because that's what it's called, and I'm gonna be using that and apply it on top by the lid. Not the lid, but the upper brow bone. And I'm going to be using this brush. So how is everybody's day going so far? I don't know if you guys have kids, but my kids are, you guys already know I have 4 kids, and they had asked them to bring out some Valentine's cards. Have you guys already purchased any Valentine's cards for your kids to take them at school? And also, do they have any parties? Do you attend to the parties when they has a volunteer? Because they have asked me to come out and help them for that day, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to go. But if I'm not able to, I'll just probably stop by and drop some cupcakes to my daughter's classroom, and then probably bring some other type of snacks, because that's what usually they do, or they just give out some pizzas and all that good stuff. So what are your plans for Valentine's? Because I honestly don't know what I'm going to do. Hopefully I do something nice, but this look is, I just think it's really nice, has a night out. I just really think this is nice. I don't know what you guys think. So now that I'm done with the pink, we're gonna use this pink color, which is this right here, and I'm gonna apply that as well. And we're just gonna go ahead and blend this all the way to the corner of the teardrop. So now I'm going to be using this shade in black, which is called Spooky, and we're going to go ahead and apply that all over the lid. And here I have a fluffy brush, and we're going to go ahead and blend this out. Now this is a really dark shade color, and I really like it. So now that we're done with the eyeshadow, we're going to go ahead and use this Morphe by Jaclyn Hill, and this is the eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to be using this bling, and we're going to use that in the inner corner of our teardrop, and then we're going to go ahead and apply some of that in the upper brow bone. So I'm going to be using this NYX liquid white eyeliner, and I'm going to go ahead and draw a line. So I will remove the tape now. So I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and redo the eyeshadow from underneath the eye. So I'm gonna go back with the pink eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna go ahead and retrace and go over this white line just to fill it in with pink. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara, and I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Volume Plumping Mascara, and this is in black. So for my fall eyelash, I'm going to go ahead and apply this Case Lash Culture. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this on really quick. For the bronzer, I'm going to be using this color right here, just a little bit. I'm going to be using this highlighting fan, and I'm going to apply some of this Love You So Mochi highlight. So, let me add some here. Now for the lipstick, I'm going to be applying this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in number 15, which is Lover. To finish up this look, I'm going to end this by applying some of this Maybelline Fix Master by Studio, which is this right here. Alright you guys, so this is a complete look for this Valentine's Day. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did. And also I do recommend you guys to purchase the James Charles palette. I really love how colorful it is, and I love how it blends really well. I really didn't have any trouble, and also I didn't have a lot of fallout, which is really good. I don't know, but that is actually my opinion, my honest opinion. I really do love it. I have been waiting for so long, ever since it came out, to actually buy it and try it on. So this is my first impression as a tutorial for you guys. So for those of you who are new, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up for more videos. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day with your family and friends, and I will see you guys really soon for our next video. Bye guys.